guys, hope y'all are doing well. I am going to do a quick unboxing because I'm actually doing this during my lunch break. So it's on a weekday. Anyway, I'm trying to use my camera right now, and this is a different angle, so please bear with me. But so I'm super excited. I know you guys always hear this, but I am. So, yes, it's another Chic Sparrow, y'all. Apparently it's true that once you get one Chic Sparrow, you end up getting like multiples. And it's so true. Let me move my coffee out of the way here. Okay. Oh, again, I hope it's something I really like. Same sticker. I've got so many of these, but I love it. And then their product warranty card. And let me this put it all the way here. Okay, so this is a different color, but I have this leather type already. Ooh, I hope it's pretty. I know it's gonna be pretty. Yes. So I got the texture. Okay, good. So it is the CRÈME in the color Huckleberry, and it's in the A5 size, similar to my German. Oh, yes, it's beautiful. I just got the regular deluxe pockets. Didn't get the Cascade this time. Did, however, yay, get a removable pen loop. Excuse the traffic outside. I'm filming downstairs, so not in the office room like I normally film. Okay, so yes, she is beautiful. Oh wow! So this is, this is like the same CRÈME. This I got the B6 and the chocolate, and oh yes, smells just like the CRÈME. So beautiful. All right, so there's the thickness right there. You can see it's got 4 strands. Beautiful. So it's got 3 pockets and a big pocket, and then the Secretariat pocket. Okay. Like I said, I'm on lunch right now, you guys. I'm trying to make it quick. So this is on the same day. I don't know why they used this big box. I really thought that the box that I opened was going to be the item inside of this, but I'll show you guys in a minute why I think. I love the packaging. It's beautiful. I was wondering when I was going to get a box like this. That's really pretty. So anyhow, okay, so I've got the sticker, which I love, Faith, Hope, and Love. And of course they have their warranty card. Where my invoice went. Okay. So as you can see, this is a huge box for this tiny little thing. It's super tiny. Oh, here's the invoice. Okay, it was tucked in the thing. Let me put that aside. Okay, so this is my first small traveler's notebook. So this is like super popular, this size, but I didn't get it because I like bigger things. You know, I have started with a personal, so I was hesitant to get this size, and it's, ooh, oh good, I got the textured one, because a lot of times this size right here, it doesn't have texture. It's usually smooth, so I'm so happy. I'm like, oh my goodness, I got a lot of texture, yay! Because a lot of people don't like the smooth one, because this is the CRÈME. And the color of this is Huckleberry. So So it's like a purple. But I got texture. Yay! So, oh my goodness, beautiful. And I got the standard pockets, the deluxe pockets. It's got the secretarial pocket. And oh, I'm so happy. I got the removable pen loop. So both the A5 and the pocket in this leather and this, or color, excuse me, they've had the removable pen loops, which I really wanted, because my A5, I wanted to be able to take that around with me instead of taking my Drummond that has the standard pen loop. Yeah. Oh, it smells good. It smells just like CRÈME. Like this one has a mole, and I do not mind that at all. Very, very pretty. And I think this one is also a mole down here too. And it is a thick leather. So I am super happy about this. Oh my goodness. So let me do a, let me get my personal real quick. So here's my personal Mr. Darcy. It's gotten patinaed and it darkened like a lot. You can't even see the striation marks anymore. But it's super chunky. And I put like tabs on it. But yeah. But here's the personal. And here's the pocket. So it's about the width of a personal, but it is definitely shorter. So yeah, I don't know. Some people use this as their everyday carry. So we'll see if it can become my everyday carry, because you can see I got a lot of stuff in here. So this is my first pocket, and I'm excited. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Alright, and I'll be doing more like a setup video for this one when I get it set up. Alright, take care, and thanks so much to all those who have subbed recently, those who have been with me since the beginning. I really, really appreciate you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.